Hello guys, Game Changers back again, showing you how to get custom keyboards that switch colours whilst you're using them for free, no jailbreak or PC. So let's get into it. Okay then guys, so as you can see I already have the app on my phone. It's called Chroma, something like that. Yeah, Chroma keyboard. If you want, just search it up on the App Store. I will be showing it. It is from the App Store. This was found by Boom Hacks, by the way. His Twitter will be in the description, so go check him out, because that's where he posted this. I've seen a few videos on it, but none of them have really credited him for finding it. But yeah, he pretty much did. So yeah, as I said, I already got it downloaded. You just want to search Chroma keyboard and it'll pop up. Now when you install this, there's a certain way to install it, but like I'll show all of that in a second because I haven't activated it myself yet. So I kept all that to do with you guys when we make this video. So as you can see, I'm just showing it off. So you want to go into settings after you've downloaded it. Then you want to go down to general. It tells you how to do all this in the app, and then you want to scroll down till you get to keyboard, and then you want to go keyboards, and then you want to go add new keyboard, and Chroma right there. You want to add Chroma, allow full access, otherwise it will not work on all the apps, it'll only work on certain ones. And then as you can see now, I'll go on Twitter. As soon as it loads, there it is. I want to go in messages, so I'll write a tweet, and then you want to press the little world symbol. If you hold it, it'll change to the Chroma one, just like it have for me here. And this is the keyboard you're going to get, completely free. There's 3 different ways. One is all green as far as I know. I can't seem to get it to change, but the other 2, one's a slow motion changing colours, and the other one is a fast paced changing of colours. It's pretty cool considering you don't get many of these anymore. So yeah, that's pretty much it for me guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to comment, subscribe and like, and I'll catch you in the next one. Also, link will be in the description. Peace.